Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start with our chapter Kingdom Classification. Introduction. Our Earth is inhabited by a large variety of living organisms. The diversity in organism can be observed in size, form, shape. The variety in living organism existing on the earth is known as biodiversity. The limit of biodiversity is endless. As you all can see in your surroundings that there are different and many varieties of living organisms existing in your surroundings. Taxonomy, the functional branch of biology dealing with the identification, nomenclature, and classification of living organism is called taxonomy. The father of taxonomy is Carlos Linnaeus. So now classification. So what is classification? The systematic grouping of organisms into categories on the basis of their similar and dissimilar characteristics and structural relationship is called classification. The importance, the what is the need of the classification? It enables to study a wide variety of organisms easily. It helps us in identifying a correct desirable plant. It provides the idea of common ancestry of all living organisms. It helps us in identifying which characteristics is to be used as a basis for marking or broadcasting divisions. The first system of classification was two kingdom system of classification. Aristotle have divided the living world into two kingdom, that is Plantae, and the second one is Animalia. Linnaeus also divided the world into two kingdoms in 1758. The kingdom Plantae includes all the plant, that is bacteria, fungi, algae, ferns, mosses. Kingdom Animalia includes all the animals, protozoans, sponges, jellyfishes, but there were few drawbacks in two kingdom classification. The taxonomic studied that some organisms neither fit into kingdom Plantae or kingdom Animalia. Example, Euglena possesses chlorophyll and is capable of doing photosynthesis in sunlight like that of plants, but it is heterotrophic and does not possess cell wall like animals. The second system developed was Five Kingdom system of classification. Robert H. Whitaker, an American taxonomist in 1969, proposed Five Kingdom of living organism. The main criteria for classification used by Whitaker includes the cell structure, prokaryotic or eukaryotic, the complexity of organisms, unicellular or multicellular, and mode of nutrition, absorptive, autotrophic, or heterotrophic. The five kingdom classification are given as follows. The first one is kingdom Monera. It is unicellular prokaryotic organisms such as bacteria, blue-green algae, and mycoplasmas. And the second one is kingdom Protista. It is unicellular eukaryotic organisms, examples protozoans and algae. The third way of classification is kingdom Fungi, multicellular eukaryotic organisms having absorptive mode of nutrition, example all fungi. The fourth one is kingdom Plantae, multicellular eukaryotic organism having autotrophic mode of nutrition, example plants. And the fifth one is kingdom Animalia, multicellular eukaryotic organisms having ingestive mode of nutrition, example animals.